Hello everyone, my name is Anna Marie with Celebrate Creations, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing by a company that approached me by the name of Creatplanet. So with that, let's get started. Now I know we're always trying to look for new products, and this one I think I'm really going to like. So let's see. Oh, this is interesting. Got a wand. Got a wooden handle. Wow. This is really, really nice. This is a branding iron of my logo, which is right here. It's got my initials and it's got all the detail. It's got some nice weight. As an artist, you're always wanting to sign your creations, whether it's polymer clay, your beaded jewelry, which is you use a lot of leather or suede on the back. I've always been able to sign my polymer clay creations on a stamp that I created about 2 years ago. It's got my initials, a little bit different than this. This got a lot more detail. You could never do this on polymer clay, but I could never use this on my beaded jewelry. I just can't heat it up. This is going to be interesting to try on that. Like I said, it's got a lot of nice detail on it, and it's got some nice weight. So let's see about putting this together. Very simple. And I know it's got a nice long wand here. There we go. There we go. It's got a nice space here for the heat, so it's nice and safe. If you're going to be using this on clay, I would recommend changing this out to something smaller and bringing this handle closer. And it's got some nice steady firmness there. So I can't wait to try this. It's going to be really interesting to see what it looks like on leather and suede. And like I said, I really like this detail. This came from a company by the name of Creatplanet. I will leave their link down below. They are creatplanet.com. So I will be using this in a future project. If you're interested and want to watch, please make sure that you subscribe, and also tap on that bell so you can get your notifications when those videos get uploaded. So with that, thank you for watching.